Hi everyone! Today on Clove and Cumin, we are making delicious pita bread. First, let's make sure the yeast is fresh. Add warm water, yeast, and sugar into a bowl. Stir vigorously and wait for 15 minutes. If you see bubbles, you're good. Add all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, olive oil, and salt to the bubbly yeast mixture. Mix on low speed for about 3 minutes, then on medium for 5 to 8 minutes. The dough is done when it looks like this. Scrape away the dough from the sides of the mixing bowl. Drizzle with olive oil. Cover and let it rise for about an hour. You're done when the dough doubles in size. Transfer the dough out of the bowl onto a work surface. Divide the dough into 8 even pieces. An easy way to do this is to cut the dough like a pizza pie. Make sure though that you do turn on the oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit because you need to also put a pizza stone or baking sheet on the middle rack so there's a super hot surface for the pita to bake on. Round each piece into a ball. Tuck in any seams underneath the ball and then place on a surface with enough space for the dough balls to double. You want to make sure you cover with a wet towel and rest for about 15 minutes. Place a dough ball onto a 7-inch parchment square. Flour the rolling pin as needed to make sure you can roll the dough smoothly. Roll each dough ball into a circle all the way to the edge of the parchment paper so that each circle is super thin. Make sure you cover the dough circle to stop it from drying out. Place the dough circles on the pizza stone. Bake until puffed about 2 to 3 minutes. Nothing beats the taste of warm, perfectly puffy pita bread. Will you just look at that? Bye!